In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a filter on Google Meet, allowing you to enhance your video call experience with some fun and useful visual effects. Whether you're looking to jazz up your background or apply a stylish filter, Google Meet offers a range of tools to help you do just that. First things first, we'll kick off by navigating into a Google Meet meeting. Once you're on the Google Meet platform and ready to join a video call, there's an option you definitely won't want to overlook. It's the Apply Visual Effects feature. Before hitting the Join Now button, just take a glance down to the bottom right corner of your preview screen. There, you'll find the button that says Apply Visual Effects. Go ahead and give that a click. Once you've opened up the visual effects settings, you'll see a variety of filters and backgrounds available at your fingertips. This is where the fun begins. Feel free to explore the options and select the filter that best suits your mood or the tone of the meeting. Whether you aim for professionalism or you're in for a bit of creative flair, there's something for everyone. Now let's say you've already joined a meeting and had an epiphany that adding a filter would enhance the interaction. No worries, you can still add a filter even if you're already inside the meeting. Simply look for the three dots icon, which is typically located in the bottom right corner of your screen. Clicking this will expand a menu with several functionalities. From this menu, you'll select Apply Visual Effects, which will bring you back into the same variety of filters and styles you encountered before entering the meeting. Once again, you'll have the freedom to choose a filter that fits the vibe you're going for. It's straightforward, just click on your preferred filter, and it will automatically spring into action for your audience to see. After selecting a filter, it's crucial to preview your choice. This step ensures that you're looking your best before hitting the spotlight. Checking the preview gives you a sense of the filter in action, allowing you to make any last-minute tweaks if needed. And there you have it. Applying a filter on Google Meet is as simple as a few clicks. Not only can these visual effects make meetings more engaging, but they also provide a dash of personal expression. So whether you're looking to keep things professional or just want to have a little fun, remember to explore these features and enjoy your virtual presence. Happy meeting, and I hope this guide brought some clarity and creativity to your Google Meet experience.